Welcome back to episode 2 of the Mozambique road trip series. If you missed episode 1, it will be the first link in the description. After hearing a lot of people talk about Macaneta saying it's such a beautiful place, we decided to make a stop there. Unfortunately, the weather was not on our side as Cyclone Freddy was still wandering around the ocean between Mozambique and Madagascar, but we turned off to go and have a look regardless. It seems like a very nice place to go to, but we were limited in our exploring as it was raining heavily and had the trailer on the back as well. We had a breakfast at Macaneta Beach Resort, which was amazing, and continued on our journey. It was sad to see how much water was standing along the road from all the rain. I think a lot of people had a major loss from the cyclone.
We made it!
After stocking up on everything we needed in town, we continued on to our paradise accommodation, following the GPS route on Google Maps. Guys, this is very important. When you get to just-in-time restaurant on the road along the lagoon, you must stop your GPS as it gets very confused here and the GPS takes you on a route that goes into the dunes. Just follow the tracks along the lagoon if you want to visit any place or restaurant situated along the lagoon from here on out. Hello explorers and welcome to our oasis accommodation in Bilene.
Let's show you this amazing, beautiful place.
Casa 9 at Chawal Lodge offers 3 rooms with massive beds and ensuite bathrooms with showers. 2 of the rooms are almost identical and is situated next to each other, and the third room is at the back of the kitchen dining area. There is an outside braai with a table bench to sit at for all meals and a splash pool to cool off in.
Ready, set, go! Yay!
At the communal area at the entrance to Chawal Lodge, there's a massive pool to cool off in with umbrellas so you can just relax. There's also a fully furnished kitchen and bar to make all your favorite food, snacks and drinks. This area is accessible to anyone staying at Chawal Lodge, but is not open to the public, which makes it nice and private. There's also a braai, a pool table and a dartboard to challenge all your friends. Right in front of the lodge there's this awesome small beach where you can swim or just relax. We came down here a few evenings just to enjoy the awesome sunsets and listen to some music. We definitely want to stay here, this place is really paradise. We enjoyed the sunset, went back to Casa to start the fire and braai some prawns. Thank you guys for staying with us at this amazing place, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!